Do you know the secret of the companies which are successful in the market? Do you know the secret of entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs in the market? Do you know the successful products in the market? I'm sure you are knowing them. Not only knowing, you are using one of them in your home, in your office, right? So here in this video, I'm going to tell you what is the secret mantra these companies are following. That's why they are becoming the famous in the market. And that's why they are famous entrepreneurs in the industry. I'm going to reveal the secret behind their success story. Syed Aside, PMP certified project manager, having 18 plus years of experience and worked around multiple projects on residential, commercial, high-rise, interior fit-out, base build, and many other projects. So as I said, the secret behind of these successful entrepreneurs and these successful construction companies or the other companies is quality. That's the only one single parameter or the single criteria where these companies follows and they are becoming most successful not only in India, across the globe. Now, what it comes in your mind when you hear about quality? Is that QAQC or is there just a QA or it's QC as well? It's both QA and QC, where QA stands for a setting up of a process where you know the entire journey, how you are going to start and how you are going to end that journey. This process is called as QA. Now, what is QC? QC is nothing but that's the complete end user experience or the end feel of that product, where you will see that product whether it meets that end user requirements and you will make modifications to it if it's not meeting. So that's about QC. I'm going to bring you a 5 days workshop where I'm going to teach you the all best of practices what these industries follow to become a successful industry and a successful entrepreneur. So what are those practices? I have clubbed all those in a single package to explain all of these in my upcoming session. So guys, what I did for you, I have created a workshop where I'm going to cover all of these topics for you, and there is a nominal fee for this workshop, that is 99 rupees only. That's a very low cost to become an entrepreneur, to run a successful company. That's very low cost. I know many of you, I'm sure all of you can afford 99 rupees. So I request you to please join this 5 days workshop where you are going to learn the best practices and best skills which can elevate your career, which can elevate your growth. I'm sure after doing this course, you are going to apply for multiple job openings from a supervisor to a manager. This entire journey you are going to cover and you are going to get that confidence to face an interview and crack those interviews. Not only facing, you are going to answer it and you are going to get an offer letter once you complete that interview successfully. So guys, please join my workshop and you'll be the next entrepreneur after completion of this workshop.